Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. So today, Thursday, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin market actually shown relatively quiet behavior on the background, all this madness around invasion in Ukraine and so on. But currently, investors are turning back, as we said today in the gold video and the euro currency video, starting turning back to the inner domestic problems of the United States, which is major, as you understand, is inflation, which is a horrible word for Fed Reserve and for Biden administration. So, and currently our view is that market starts to suspect that inflationary pressure and the problems with the inflations are a bit stronger and tougher than it is presented in the media, and currently market starts to suspect that the measures that Fed intends to take at least at the first stage might be not sufficient to start struggle with it. So the harder measures could hurt the fragile recovery of the economy. And this combination of the factors makes gold rising more, despite on the background of even 50 points jump in rate that is anticipated currently in March meeting, and maybe not enough. It keeps simultaneously the interest rate yields, as you can see, on the 10-year yield on a high level, showing no bounce. And all this stuff, additionally, and supposedly, might become the pressure for the Bitcoin market. So currently, at this point, in toward speaking, I am not ready to say that market, this upper bounce that we've got, is the starting of the new leg to the upside. Even vice versa. So I suggest, at least on the background of the cross-market analysis on what we see on the gold, what we see in the statistics, it seems that it is still a long way until we will get some positive shifts on the Bitcoin market, because currently the dynamic of the stock markets, it's also, well, looks not very inspiring. So what in the current circumstances we could consider? In general, overall situation stands relatively simple. So if you take a look at the follow time frame chart, we have sideways action in the shape of the triangle. This is not some directional pattern. And in fact, you have the only one option. Either you're waiting for some more clarity and better patterns, or you're trying to anticipate the possible turning and breakout either to the upside or to the downside, trying to take position inside of the triangle. So in this case, you're just watching for the top and the bottom as invalidation point. So if you would like to go short, you could do this with the stop somewhere above this area. If you'd like to buy, correspondingly based on the shape of the pattern that we said, as 40 even areas might be very important because of strong support, you could try to take the long position and stop somewhere below this area. This is in case if you do not want to catch for a clear pattern. That's the only, in fact, what we have currently on cryptocurrency, because no other good patterns for trading just no exist, so we do not see it. Speaking on the bearish side and all the stuff that I'm talking about with the inflation repression and this fundamental background, personally, I'm not excluding the chance that we could get something of that kind. So, because we have strong downside action, OP is not been completed yet, and I'm not excluding the chance that we could get some kind of the butterfly action here, because 127 extension, the small stress action, stands precisely at this level. So, and personally, my view is that I am a bit more tending to idea that the chances on a downward action looks a bit better currently, and all this stuff that we have. But, of course, I might be wrong. So, choose what you like more. If you'd like act immediately, you could consider position taking somewhere inside of the triangle. If not, just wait for more clarity on the market.